Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to create a timer in code.org website which is perfect for games, quizzes or countdowns. So you need to simply open a browser and open the code.org website on a laptop or a desktop and make sure you are logged in into your account. If you aren't logged in into your account, you might not be able to access the resources available in this website. So simply open a new project and go into the game lab or app lab as well. You can choose anyone and go into one. Create a variable for your timer at the top. You can add quotes over here. You can start writing your quotes on the left side of your screen, or you can simply check any code you want from here as well. There are different types of code that you might need. Now for the next step, inside the draw function or a loop in app lab, decrease the timer over time. You can set it using the JavaScript code. Display the timer on the screen and stop the timer when it reaches 0 and take action. To do everything, you will need the simple JavaScript codes that are available in this code.org website very easily. Now you can set intervals in app lab to decrease the timer every second, and that's how you can make a cool timer in code.org website. Like, subscribe and stay tuned for more tutorials as well. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.